hey Honda Goldwing, how's it going today? Hey Goldwing, what's going on, bro? Nice to see you.
Oh, hey guys, how's it going?
Talk to us, what's the matter? What's going on? We want to hear it.
Nothing. Don't worry about it. It's cool.
Yeah, no, really, for real. Tell us what's going on, man.
Well, it's just that I'm a bagger too, and no one ever takes me seriously. Why won't they take me seriously? I'm in the same class as you guys. What's going on? What's wrong with me?
No one takes you seriously. What are you talking about? I mean, it's true, but what are you talking about?
Everyone says I'm an old man bike. That's just not true.
Old man bike, come on, bro. You're not an old man bike. Ooh, that's a hard one to say with a straight face. An old man bike, well, yeah, I might have heard that once or twice here and might have said it myself.
Well, look, I'm lighter than both of you guys. I'm faster than both of you guys. I have more horsepower than both of you guys. My stereo system sounds better than both of you guys. My suspension is second to none. It is just, oh, it is perfect. You just glide down the road on a cloud. I am the product of decades of just the best engineers and the finest refinement just going into me and creating the most epic, perfect bagger on the road.
All right, guy, do you want us to be honest with you? Yeah, I mean, if you want us to be honest, we can be honest with you.
Yes, be honest.
Look, man, it's your exhaust, all right? Let's just be honest. It's the exhaust. Yeah, definitely your exhaust, bro. Definitely your exhaust.
My exhaust? What do you mean?
Your exhaust sounds like if somebody was trying to sneak a fart in the library. Your exhaust sounds like fat chick leggings rubbing together when she's walking up a hill in the middle of summer and it's 110 out. Your exhaust sounds like if a Tesla was running on 4 flats. Fred Flintstone's car was louder than your exhaust and he was powered by his feet. Your exhaust sounds like I'm rubbing my hands together because I'm cold and I'm trying to warm up.
But my exhaust is fine-tuned for maximum performance. That can't be it. Like, why would you hate on my exhaust? It's perfect.
Your exhaust sounds like 2 squirrels getting it on all day after they sat through a Barry White concert.
All right, look, I get it. Fine, whatever. But seriously, I am superior in every way over you two guys. Why am I not in the King of the Baggers? I would dominate that thing. I would just crush it. This is just insane.
Well, I don't think you're really King of the Baggers material. We should leave it at that. Let's just say you are not King of the Baggers material. All right, look, it's your riders. Yeah, man, I hate to tell you, but it's definitely your riders. Your riders are the reason you're not in King of the Baggers.
My riders? What's the matter with my riders?
Your riders are so old, they would stay in the left lane doing 30 with the blinker on the whole time. Your riders are so old, they'd have to stop mid-race to take a nap. Your riders are so old, they'd stop mid-race and yell at all the fans in the stands to get off their lawn. Your riders would quit before the race even started when they found out that their white New Balance Ortho lights are not considered track-approved race boots. Your riders would stop mid-race and call the police because of all those bikes making all that horrible noise, and clearly it's a bunch of gang members and there's crime in the neighborhood and it must be stopped.
I hate you. I hate you both so much, you have no idea. If I didn't have my nurse picking me up at 3 p.m. because it's almost time for dinner, man, I would give you both a what for, let me tell you.
Ah, don't be that way, dude. How about I take you inside and I buy you a nice bowl of room temperature soup with some of those little mini saltine crackers you like? Come on. Would you like that? Would you like that, bro?
Yes.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed that one. Just having a little fun and a little laugh over, some Goldwings, whatever. Goldwing guys, don't take it too seriously. Don't come after me, whatever. Even if you do, I mean, I usually do at least 35, so I'm about 5 miles faster than you at all points in time. I'm good, no worries. But yeah, just a joke. And I'm sure you can take a joke much better than all the Indian motorcycle guys, because every time I make fun of one of those, my comments just blow up with, well, what about Harley? I want Harley mentioned in this video too. You guys are silly. Nonetheless, yeah, so hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification, share this video with friends, share it with family, share it with that one great grandpa you know when he wakes up from his nap that rides a Goldwing. He loves this stuff, trust me. And I'll see you all on the flip side.